Mama! Mama! Oh yes! Mama, madam, what is it? What happened?
Mama, it has happened.
What happened now? Stop! Give me melon!
Mom, this car.
Baby. You have been of bad news.
I saw him, his car got burnt.
You saw him? Come.
His car got burnt. Whose car got burnt? Whose car got burnt now?
Hey! Harbinger of bad news. Who sent you to spoil my morning?
Serious.
You're serious.
People are gathered at the express trying to see if they will put up the fire.
Hey. Wait. Is my son inside the car?
I think. I think he is. Just like my dreams.
My son was inside the car.
Yes, just like my dreams.
Just like my dreams. Go and get water. Tell us sooner to be faster. Get him. We'll be fine. Hurry up with the water, Ugo. We'll be fine. Just like it. Ugo! Lazy girl! Get the water! Ugo Chukwu! Now you'll be fine. I can't get a lazy girl.
A wonderful idea. It's very good. But let me ask you, Ned. This money you are talking about, where is it going to come from? From my pocket or from yours?
I have no money in my pockets. You know now, man.
You don't have money in your pocket? Ned, then you should keep your mouth shut. You should shut your mouth up. Ned, you have been the problem of this young man. You are the problem he has. An old man that is old enough to be a father now. You are still pampering him. Look at his twin brother. He is doing well. You are here pampering an old man. Ned, what are you doing?
Man, I don't like the way you're talking. If you mean I'm pampering him, I'm not pampering him. Besides, you always bring in sentiments into this thing. Yes, you keep comparing him with his brother. And that's why he always feels like you don't care. I don't know, man. I know they are twins, but God built them differently. You can't keep doing that. Besides, he's just 30 years old. I'm not afraid you go to. I can get married at 40, it doesn't really matter.
Ned, look at you. When I say you are the problem of this boy, you will say, why will I say that? Just look at you defending him. He can marry when he's 40. Look at his twin brother. His twin brother is doing well. Nnamdi has never asked me of anything. Rather, he's the one giving to me. Because you don't know that bringing out this money, that huge amount of money to give to somebody and he squander it, don't you know that it's painful? Or the idiot who don't know the pain one has to go through to get money. You are telling me he's your son, he's our son. Ned, Ned, put your hand inside your pocket and give money to you. Have I stopped you from doing anything with your money? I have never stopped you. Give your son money, Ned. I don't have to give him.
No problem. Refund me the 20,000 naira that I lent to you. So I can give it to him.
20,000?
Yes.
Is that what you want to give to him?
At least he can start with 20,000.
No problem. That is okay, Ned. Ned, let me go out. When I come in, I give you your 20,000. You give to your son. That's it, see.
No, we're not done yet, sir. We're not done. We're still talking about your son.
No, it's your son we are talking about.
No, it's your son.
It's your son.
Short, he looks more like you. Yes.
He looks like me.
Yes.
No, Ned. He looks like that your elder brother.
And the two of you look alike.
Me and your elder brother?
Yes.
God forbid.
God
forbid me looking like your elder brother.
I wish I said that way beyond.
Ned, look for money I give to your son.
Give me the money. I don't want this boy to
Ned, this matter is...
I don't want this boy to crush you, Nani. Protect. He will crush you. Yes.
He will crush me.
Small matter. He will crush you, Nani.
Okay, you are the one who sent him.
No.
You sent your son to kill me, Ned. Ned, I did not kill my father. Your son will not kill me.
He won't kill you, but he will give you what he wants.
I'm not giving him anything, Ned. I'm not giving him anything. Just give your son money.
Nnamdi, or whatever they call you. In fact, thank God I met you here because I'm about to tell you what you want to hear. Hey, Nnamdi, let me just warn you now. I don't care whatever your name is. This should be the first and last you interfere in anything that concerns me and my father. What did I say? Today should be your first and last in this world. You interfere in any business that concerns me and my father. You have your business with your father. I have mine with my father. If you ever in your life, Makachuku Waba, talk to my father again about my business, you interfere again, I will show you that I am the real Jagaban in this village.
At least, you thank you for acknowledging the fact that he's your father. He's my father. Look, that land you took the document to sell, it's jointly owned by me. So whatever affects him, affects me.
Are you talking to Jagaban like that? I will give you fight. Listen, let me tell you. Listen, a wise man will think he's smart until he enters a foolish man's spot. Next time you try it again, I will show you the Jagaban color.
Stop this! He's your brother. He's your twin brother for crying out loud. Stop this now. Are you trying to fight him or what? Stop it!
Who is this cockroach? Who is this cockroach talking? White witch. You know, Papa, are you mad? Are you stupid? Oh, because my brother is sleeping with you. Because he knocks you anytime, any day. You think now you are part of the Jagaban family. You are sick and mad. If you interfere in anything I say again now, I will just finish you now.
You are talking to my wife like this.
Who's your wife?
You are talking to my wife like this.
Who is your wife? When did you marry? When did you marry? Look at them, white arches. Next time you talk to my father again about my business, I will kill you. Who are you?
It's okay.
Weakling. Twin, weakling. You are a disgrace to twin. Come on, I'm talking to you. You are a disgrace to twin. You are a disgrace to twin. Are you mad? Who are you? Why are you calling? Who's mad? Who's mad? What's wrong with you? Who's mad? Who's mad? See? Get out of this one. It's okay. Who's mad? Are you leaving here or not?
Why? I'm already on my way coming. See, don't. Okay, I'm coming.
Don't call me. Hey.
I'll call you back.
Morning, I'm on the way to work already. I can see you're already on your way to work. Okay, oh my God. But won't you step back and...
Mama, I'll eat Mama put when I get the customers are waiting for me.
Oh, Bob, now Mama put. It now seems like your mother doesn't know how to cook. Meanwhile, my food is usually very tasty. Anyway, there's something I want to discuss with you. Remember that thing that happened yesterday.
What is it?
My kind your brother. You couldn't have his loafing around. You're going to go see our party in the village. It has become an embarrassment to me. Another embarrassment.
Mama, does he want to join me in this business? Look, Mama, let me tell you, there's too much money in this business. If he join me, he will make a lot of money, and that will help him to stop roaming around the village.
There's a lot of money. After all, you come out, my friend, but your brother is that kind of person. You know him now. He won't like this kind of job. Your brother would love, to travel and make some money. Or come back. He's your brother. You should help.
Because it's dirty business, right?
No. I'm going to go dirty. It has nothing to do with dirty. But you know your brother. He would rather him are going to travel and come back. What?
See, Mama, let me tell you. If what you stop me here is to tell me because of that document, or to tell Papa to release the document, I will not.
And wait now. You see, your brother has promised me that once he travels, he will make so much money, he will take care of everybody, including you. He will look
Mama, see, stop wasting your saliva. I will not discuss this with Papa. What is it? Mama, I'll see you when I come back, please.
After all, it's your brother. If he makes this money, he will buy you a car. When you want one, and in China cruise, Oh no, if I may. Now just you get up with those Cincinnati. You continue wearing. In short, can't I look going on to one?
Boss, I'm not dealing with you.
Boss, I have temper here with you.
What's up, Green?
Boss, I have temper here.
Guy, off camera, which one be say you get 10K for here? I know they like this kind of parole. Shake the wine us. All the hustle don't hustle. They tell me say na temper. I know they like that thing.
What did you come the Jija me?
Ongini, what is it?
It's Abura and his friends.
What happened?
Mama, they attacked me. They insisted I must see Abura. When I refused, they broke my gallon.
What have we done wrong? When will this humiliation stop? Ibube is okay. Oh, the keys. It's okay. Don't worry, we'll buy another gallon. Oh?
For them to break again. Why are they always doing all this? What have we done to them?
What do you want me to do? What do you want us to do? We have reported to the elders. They are even afraid of Abula and his gang of molesters. The police don't want to wade into the matter. Onamuze, don't worry. We'll buy another gallon. Don't worry. One day our God will fight for us. You go? Don't worry.
Mama, you came back early. What about the properties?
Hey! Your father's brothers denied me access to the properties. Says the villagers confiscated the properties.
Wait, how could the villagers do a thing like this?
The villagers did nothing. What the hell, man?
How did you know, Mama?
I met Adak on my way back to this place. So she told me it was her father's brothers that sold those properties.
Hey! Mama,
Handle my properties.
why are they doing all these things? What have we done to them? Mama, no, this is not fair now. This is not fair now. Hey, God.
It's okay. Let's go. Huh? Not to worry. Our God will fight for us. Let's go. Let's go inside. Don't worry. Our God will fight for us.
Why are they treating us like this, Mama? Why? Why?
My love for you is so. Please, just manage this one. I will promise you I'll make it up to you.
You should be ashamed of yourself. A grown man like you. This is all you could give to a girl you say you love with your whole heart. Hey, fine. What kind of wicked love is this?
So, see, I'm trying. Honestly, I'm really trying. But see, if I make more money, I will bring them to you now. I promise you, in less than no time, I will confuse you with more.
What's it, dear?
My love, please, just accept this one. I promise you, I will make more money. See, in no time, I will bring more money for you. A bigger one. Just take this one, please.
Ifan, you are not understanding. Look at my skin. Look at my face. Money that is making this skin and my face to grow. Without money, you will not be here kneeling down. So I'm not understanding all these things you are saying. I need money. I need it.
Okay, fine. I'll make it up to you. I'll make it up.
What's that? Where are you going? So you want to go back with me? For what? As what? At least this one will serve me for my WhatsApp and Instagram. You can go. No, I don't understand.
I love you. I promise you I'll bring something for you here.
These things you are doing will make me, I'll go outside and look at another place.
No. Don't even say that. No, Taba. Please. Anybody that go close to you, No, please. My love,
Then do something. I'm tired with all this 1 naira you are giving me. I'm tired.
I'll make money. Make money for you alone. Because don't meet any man, don't near any man.
Papa, give me the money, oh. Give me the money, else I will burn this house down now. I ain't Jagabano.
Ifanye, calm down. Burn which house down?
Mama, talk to your
No, listen, if you burn this house, where do we stay?
Fine. If you don't want me to burn this house down, talk to your husband here. Talk to him, let him give me the money now. Why is he acting selfish and stingy? I will show my Jagaban character. I will now show my Jagaban character now.
Papa, give him money, Biko.
Go ahead and burn down the house. Just raise the house down so that we see if the money will come out from the ashes. Go ahead and burn the house.
Nah, Ifeanyi, calm down now. Your father hasn't said he won't give you the money.
I did not say I will give him money. I didn't say that.
Oh, Mama, I think if we go here now. Okay, if we go now. This man.
Nah, calm down. You're making matters worse. Instead of trying to calm him down, and I call that you didn't say you.
Ned, this matter is already worse. I keep telling you, stop treating this old man with his globe. Stop treating him with his. You are spoiling him.
I think also, for example, when you said your responsibility to quit your job, maybe as a woman, and you actually need to be patient. But I know a guy told me something about his aunt. She's a medical person, but the man told her, the husband told her to quit her job and take care of the children till they are of age.
Well,
She can go in practice.
Listen to this.
Yes, my dear. My dear, the security situation in this country is getting out of hand.
I believe the government knows what to do if they're serious about it.
Well, you're right, my son. You're right. And by the way, how was work today?
But it was fine, no. Hey, Papa, I want to discuss something with you.
Oh, bless, no problem. What is it?
It's about Ifeanyi.
What is all this? What about Ifeanyi again? Why is Ifeanyi the only song we sing in this house? Why Ifeanyi all the time? What is all this?
Papa, you know Ifeanyi will not stop until he gets what he wants.
Nnamdi, I am ready for Ifeanyi's trouble this time around. I'm ready for Ifeanyi's trouble. Anyhow he wants it, I will give it to him. I don't want to hear anything about him. Will I kill myself, Ifeanyi? I have spent so much on him, and there's nothing to show for it. What is all this? I can't kill myself for an unrepentant son. Whatever he wants this time around, I will give it to him.
But Papa, if he says he wants the money to travel abroad, why don't you give him the money?
My son, you know I'm a pensioner. And my pension has not been paid. I don't have money to give him. Where will I get the money?
Okay, Papa, I have a suggestion.
You have a suggestion? As long as it has nothing to do with selling any of my lands, I will listen. What? Are you serious? Do you know how risky that is? Well, if that is what you want, there's no problem. I will think about it.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone now, because leave me. Abmaka, what is it? Ogini.
Okay, I am so sorry about this whole thing. Just forgive me.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Let me even ask you, Nnamdi. What do you take me for? What do you take me for? Eh?
How can you be asking such a question? You know who you are to me. You're my woman.
Of course, I know. How can I forget that I'm a side chick? How can I how can you forget you're a side chick?
How can you be a side chick to me? You're my woman and I love you. You know that already now.
You love me. You love me and you go about taking critical decisions without even consulting me. What kind of love is that?
Baby, see, it is yet to be decided. I just told my father about it.
Oh, Nnamdi, what are you even saying? Just hear what you're saying. You told your father about it and you now decided to tell me just to fulfill all righteousness. When in the actual sense, you have already decided on what to do, you're not coming to tell me. What do you even take me for? A fool?
No, baby. How can you call yourself a fool? Look, if you call yourself a fool, what does that make me? A fool's lover? Okay, look. I am so sorry. I will not do it as long as you did not approve it. Whatever you say, I will do.
Now it's already too late. Because you and your family, you have already decided on what to do. You now want me to advise you against doing what you guys have decided to do so that they will see me as a bad person. Akwaya, so that they will say I'm bad influence to you, Nnamdi.
No,
because don't involve me, please. You should know me better. I beg, I don't want to
No,
involve
no,
myself.
baby, baby.
Please now, come, please.
You passed us earlier today.
You can see me.
What do you mean? Are you not the thrift collector?
Oh, goodness. Goodness, someone can see me at last.
Look, you are standing before a dead man.
Oh, please, I am not in the mood for joke.
I am being serious. I died yesterday.
Oh my God! Oh, somebody just see this village. Oh my God!
Wait. You mean you can't see anyone else except me?
Apart from myself now, you're the only one here, standing, laughing to yourself. Wait. Again. Is she okay? Here. Oh.
By yourself. Are you like this now? Don't injure the child at this early stage of yours.
No. I'm just trying to get. Besides, the baby is okay. There's nothing wrong with the baby.
So if I allow you to enjoy yourself, don't worry, let me do the dirty work. This is what you will do. The baby, when the baby comes out, the baby will be confused just because of this.
Hey, sounds like you're very funny. How will the baby be confused again?
The baby will be confused because all the stress you go through, you pass everything onto the child when the child comes out. Don't worry, I'll do it myself.
Yes, now.
Just go inside. Don't do this, please. What do you want to cook? Let me know.
When you come inside,
how many pieces to cut? What do you want to cook? Hey. You see? You see? It's you. My wife.
I'm tired, leave me.
Baby, wait. You get tired these days. What happened now? Not like you.
Is that a problem? Let me try.
No, I'm not saying it's a problem, except if it's what I am thinking.
If it's what? What I think?
Hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What I think.
Obago. Come on now, tell me now. Tell me now. Obago.
Okay, no, Bar.
No, wait, you know you are my wife now. Tell me now, let me know. Let me know what if the farming I've been doing, you know.
Man, I should call all the.
Oh!
You have not seen my.
Oh, my wife.
Baby.
Chai.
But I'll have to go and check.
Baby, forget it.
Obago. Obago, my wife Irijugo. Ilujugo Afo. See, baby, see. Thank you for making me realize that I am the son of my father.
It's my duty.
Oh!
It's my duty.
Oh!
Baby, I love you. Man. I love you so much.
Abana, why are you still crying? Mama, stop, please stop.
Tell me, what am I supposed to do? What else am I supposed to do, Maria? Why would the daddy do this to me? Why would the daddy leave me alone in this cruel world? Why? Why would he do that to his wife? After promising me heaven and earth, he just disappeared. He just left me alone. My child, how am I supposed to come? How is he supposed to come, Maria?
Ifoma, please stop. You need to stop. Don't say that about him. You and I knows that if he has the power to fight death, he would have fought it and lived for the two of you. That is something nobody can fight. That is something nobody can fight. And you should know that. And wait, don't say he left you alone. He didn't leave you. You're not alone here. He left you with his child.
What am I supposed to do with the child? A child that he will not see. What am I supposed to do? Why? Stop.
See, God knows the best. God knows why it happened at this point. Okay? God knows why it happened at this point. You can't question him. Do you understand? So just stop doing this to yourself. Except you want to harm the child you're carrying. See, all you have to do now is to take good care of yourself and this baby. Because that is all you owe him. Please.
Why me?
It's okay. Come here. Come. It's okay.
Why me?
Stop crying. See, listen, I bought something. I bought something from the market, okay? I want to prepare something for you to eat. And you're going to assure me that you will eat. Because if you don't eat, that means you want to deliberately hurt this baby. Stop, just stop crying. Stop, okay? Let me quickly make something for you to eat.
Is anyone here? Who is that? Show your face! Show your face! Who is that?
Hey!
What is it?
Oh my goodness, so this life is very sweet.
What is it?
Baby. In fact, I am enjoying myself.
My baby. With money, all things are possible.
Very possible. In fact, babe, you see, you are the sweetest, you are the most beautiful woman in this village.
What kind of stupid compliment is that? Are you calling me a village woman?
No.
Jagaban, take your time.
You're not the best woman. I mean, you're the best woman in the whole world. Sorry. Slip of tongue. This food is confusing me.
My baby. Jagaban, try. Asam.
Jagaban. I told you, Hama.
How dare you? How dare you, Ifeanyi? How dare you sell my husband's car as my husband's accidental car as scrap? How dare you?
Ifeanyi, hang on you. Look at you, looking like a crap. How dare you walk into my conversation with my baby girl?
Who are you?
Imagine this thing, no?
That's showing remorse.
Ifeanyi, that is not the point. Who gave you the audacity to touch my husband's accidental car?
Eh?
Who gave you the honor to sell it?
Who gave you the audacity to be vibrating? Who gave you? Eh? I will take order. Who will I take order from you? Just mind yourself.
You're a very big fool. If I am from nowhere, a very big fool. You're a very, very wicked man.
Oh, what is going on here?
Mama, see Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi had the audacity to touch my husband's accidental car. He sold it as scrap to mechanics. Ifeanyi, how can you do that?
Oh, Ifeanyi, how can you be so wicked to your late brother?
Mama, you should go and rest. Eh? Go and rest.
Mama, I know you're very sick. Just stay out of this now. Go inside there and lie down before you fall and die.
You want me to die?
Mba.
No, you
not die.
Mama, just
go
rest.
and rest.
Baba, I can't call you.
You're a very wicked man. You are very, very wicked. But let me tell you something. Very soon, your wickedness will catch up with you.
Hey, you listen now. Eh? Oyibo Pepe or Chakamaka. Listen attentively. I am now the head of this house. I am the head of this house, the Jagaban of this house. So I decide on what to do and what not to do. If I want to chase everybody out from this house, Osubo, everybody will leave. So respect yourself before I start with your tummy now.
You see, this is your wickedness. This is your foolishness and wickedness. You will soon meet your doom.
You
will meet your doom very soon, Ifeanyi. I will show you that.
You will meet your doom.
You will meet your doom.
You will meet your doom now.
You will meet your doom, Ifeanyi. You will.
You will meet your doom.
You will meet your doom.
You are too small to spoil.
You are too small to talk to you, sir. It's a fat, eh?
Ifeanyi, how can you be this wicked? How can you be this wicked? Oh, sorry.
Mama.
Sorry,
Mama?
not a mistake. But I don't want. Biale, you said that you're pregnant, yet I can't see any bulge.
Mama, respect is reciprocal. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Papa, spiritual pregnancy, you're where you are.
Mama, go and rest.
Mama, go and rest.
You're disturbing our mood.
If you want original baby, a spiritual baby.
Baby.
Jagaban.
Baby.
Hey.
Baby.
Asam.
Baby. Look at that ochi. Crap.
I want to ask a question.
Okay, go on with it. I'm listening.
Do you believe in ghosts? Like ghosts living among us?
You mean like all these extraterrestrial we watch on Hollywood movies?
No. Like spirits, people that died, but they still move around. Something like that.
No. It's not possible. I don't believe that. It's just a superstition.
How do you mean?
You know, even the Bible made it clear to us that once a man dies, judgment follows. So there's no way the living and the dead will share the same space.
You think so?
That's the fact. I know so. That's the fact. Meanwhile, why do you ask?
Nothing. I just wanted to ask.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course. Nothing.
Sure?
Yeah, you said you wanted to show me something.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Come on.
Has been a thorn in my flesh. I don't know what I did to him. He's just bent on making me unhappy in this my unhappy state.
Oh. So you can actually say the truth for once. Have you heard her? She said it now, crystal clear, that she is unhappy. She is what? Unhappy. So I am not the cause of her unhappiness. It is clear.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Let her continue. My daughter, please continue.
Okay. First, he went and sold my husband's accidented car without even consulting me, without even letting me know, without my knowledge. And And that money he made from that car, I did not even see a dime of it. And now, this same Ifeanyi has gone to sell my husband's land. The only lasting land my husband had, he has gone to sell it. Please, I want you people to help me ask him. What did my husband do to you before he died that will warrant this wickedness you're making out on his bereaved wife and an unborn child?
Ifeanyi Chukwu, is that true?
You asked me to shut up now. You said I should shut up, I should not say anything. Fine. Since you want to know the truth, I will tell you the truth. The accidented car she is talking about, I don't know anything about it. But from all the information and news I've gathered, I've confirmed that some men went to the shop and stole it.
It's a lie. You're a bloody liar, Ifeanyi.
Eh?
You are a bloody liar.
Listen.
Everybody saw you. The people saw you supervising the dismantling of that car. You sold that car, Ifeanyi. You sold it.
Uncle, with all due respect.
What is wrong with you? Are you cursed?
With all due respect, if I am talking and this girl opens her gutter to say anything again, through God, Makachuku, I will just slap her out.
You won't even dare it.
Eh?
You will not dare it.
Okay, bouncer.
You will not dare
it. You're a bouncer. No problem.
My daughter, please, let him continue. Ifeanyi, continue.
Uncle, like I said before, unknown men went there and stole the car. That is it for that. Secondly, for the land, this lady, I cannot pay her anything before selling it because she doesn't have rights when it comes to land matters. She's a woman and she should just sit at home and cook. That's her duty. She doesn't have any right to ask me about any landed property in this house. I am the man of this house. And anything I say stands. So, about that land, Otaba, don't even say anything about it.
It's a lie. It's not your father's land. That is my husband's land, my husband's property. I have a say in it. It's my husband's property.
You don't have anything to say about that land.
I have a say in my husband's property.
Okay, fine.
If
she wants to say anything about the land, go in there and ask my mother about it.
Mama is ill. Mama doesn't know anything about this. Mama is ill. She doesn't know what is going on. It's my husband's property.
Mama is ill. Mama is ill. Fine and good.
Now, it's clear that you sold the land.
Papa, I be uncle. Let's ask her, where is the evidence? Where is the evidence? How dare you even speak ill of my late father?
I know because my husband told me everything. My husband told me everything from when he sold that land and his father gave him the money to go to the city.
Where is your husband?
Money that they gave you to go to the city.
No, now. Where is the husband now? He's dead. He's not here. So where is the evidence? No evidence.
Fine. Listen to me. If you have sold the land, then bring the money. Let us share it with your brother's wife.
Who will share it? Are you part of my family? I will share it with who now? With who?
Ifeanyi, let me tell you. Do you know that your father is my brother? And two of us, we did not behave the way you are behaving.
Your father is my father is your brother. My father is your brother. How many land do you have? Go and meet your sons and sell those land. Give them land. Let them do it.
Let me tell you. That money, bring it. Let us share it between you and your brother's wife.
Uncle, I will not share anything with her. In fact, for the fact that she's even in this house, there is no money. I will not give her any dime, 1 naira, and she will not see.
Why?
I have invested the money. Yes, I have invested. So you should wait. When I start getting returns from it, I will not give her something. If not for the love I have my late brother, and by my mercy, this woman would have been in this house. I would have chased her out long time ago.
Ifeanyi, you won't do such a thing. Because you know that this woman here is your late brother's wife. And besides, she's carrying your brother's child. Ifeanyi, you must bring that money, we will share it and give her all right.
Initially, I told you I was busy inside, I'm business inclined. I don't have time to start talking like power of I have something to do inside. If you people want to know about the landed property and everything, come inside and meet me. As for you, the next time you bring anybody here to judge issues, that day you leave this house. And you, Bansa.
Are you?
Ifeanyi, come back here!
Bansa.
What is wrong with this?
Ifeanyi!
How?
This boy.
fine brother. But my boss say,
God will punish you, idiot.
yes, you can only suspend it for a few hours. Now I'm talking about your husband's brother. That's idiot. If he likes, let him sell everything in this world. He can even sell the house and mama too. That does not change the fact that he's still a hungry man. If he succeeds, what will my own child inherit? What will he or she inherit? My friend, stop sounding like I'm not understanding. Like I don't understand what you're doing. I've been here from the start now, and I'm still here with you. I understand perfectly how everything is. Like I understand everything you're going through. See, you of all people should know that these are material things we live, and they have no eternal value. I just need you to be optimistic. See, my major concern now is for you to have this child safe and sound. That is my major concern. Then you watch God take care of this baby for you. Start crying. Okay, let's start crying. See, have you eaten? Do you want to eat something? Do you want anything? Do you want to eat?
Hey, onye nke mo, ihe gị na-adị m mma, obi mo.
Wow. Hey, I don't know you have such a great singing talent.
A lot of things about me, just that you don't care to know.
That's not true.
That's true. You don't care about me.
It's not true.
It's true. I know how much I've tried to make you come deep into my life.
It's just that I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? That I would break your heart?
I feel it's not right.
My dear, that is not true. You and I are a perfect match. Ever since I entered this village, I couldn't just take my eyes out of you. My relationship ended with Clara because she got information that I've been gallivanting the village with a village girl.
So that's on me that you broke up with your girlfriend?
No, it's not on you. I am glad that I did. Yes, babe, see. I'm so happy that I did, so I can concentrate on you and show you how much I love you.
You love me?
Yes, I do. And I want to prove it to you.
You don't have to. I already know.
Everywhere. Stop. Stop.
Why? Why?
Why what?
Look.
Ebe.
Ebe, it's me.
See, come to your house now. I have something to show you.
See, I have to get
Why?
I just have to leave now.
Ebe, have I said anything wrong?
Nothing.
Ebube! Ebube! Ebube!
You can't keep doing this. What kind of punishment is this? What did did I do to deserve this?
Look, Ebube, I am sorry for crashing your party.
You must be a joy killer then.
Ebube, I could not let you kiss him.
Why?
You are saying me now just because you are a virgin.
Then good riddance. I should be happy not seeing you again. I should be happy not seeing you again.
Ebube, see, you are the only one who can help me. I need you to help me before the gate of eternity is shut against me.
Look, I don't know what you want me to do for you, but you just know I have my own problem. I have my own problem as well. See, I don't know what you want me to do for you. I'm just tired of all this. Just understand that I have my own problem. What do you want me to do? What's all this? I have my own problem. What is all this? What?
Ebube,
Want me to...
Ebube,
She-boy,
who are you talking to?
no one. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Who are you talking to?
Chiboy, wait! Chiboy,
What?
listen to me, please.
Why should I listen to you? No, tell me why I should listen to you after making a fool of me out there. Only for you to get home and start talking to yourself.
I wasn't talking to myself,
If
can't you understand?
you were not talking to yourself, then who were you talking with? Huh? Because this is not the first time or the second time I'm seeing you in such mood.
I don't know how to explain this to you, but I know I will look stupid or look like a mad person. But I don't know how to tell you this.
Okay, go ahead and explain, or we'll call it a day.
No. Do you remember that day I asked you something about a ghost?
Yes, I do.
I have been seeing this ghost, and ever since I've been seeing, it's been following me around everywhere I go to. Ever since then, my life has not been the same. Do you understand now?
Can you just listen to yourself? What are you talking about? You're talking about a ghost? In this 21st century? What do you take me for? Do you think I'm a fool? You're talking about ghosts. From where? How? That sounds so ridiculous, man. Who is here?
Samson. Ntike.
Papa, Chinenye Nnebe.
Careful, Simon.
You have one.
What happened now? What be all these ones? Do you saw?
You get just half coming up in my face.
I think you meet you on there. Abusu. Joey. No, you want to tell me say that small girl. Not men do not like this. Ntike.
Papa.
Yeah. You can always tell me the truth.
Yes.
Which motor jam on now? The motor tell on if I believe him not that small girl and I come. But me zoom motor tell on.
Papa, if you say na better motor jam us this thing, for good. This one na spiritual motor. Na dang good in the dang all of us. Joy, le go room na. Moka later.
Joy I saw. Which one be spiritual motor? Can I say far? Can you be spiritual motor dam gulen? Can you na kai far? Huh? Can you be spiritual motor dam go down I saw? Come on, reduce your height.
Ogini.
Yeah, they can spiritual down gulen. Itu akan gua nagana.
Baba that girl na monsieur. Baba that girl na winch, I swear. See my face na me Samson. My the girl think say na me be Samson for Bible. Delilah finish me up. Baba.
Boy. Trying to say that girl Amosu. No, small girl one no na Amosu. You so go sebe. Hi. Ma base. Eche na menwe me. Mam no poto kama na ha no. Licha Woods. Ndeli leli.
Okay, go.
You know what? We are going back there.
Eh?
You kuloku. You kuo gini. You trouble say. Kuloto iso. That's all my friend in Apala. Kuloto iso. I said you iso. I said we are going back there. I said but kuloto. No. We are going back there. Momo go.
Hey. Papa, at their own risk, go. At their own risk.
So, I'm about going out. Make sure you take care of yourself, okay? Just try. Let me just rush to the market and get something, okay? And make sure you eat. You know you don't like eating. Make sure you eat something. I'll be back.
Fine, though. Make sure you eat something, though.
What is this? You're in my way.
Beautiful girl. You see, I know we started wrongly. I know we've been fighting, but I want us to stop fighting and settle.
Me? Settle with you?
And I'm sorry for everything I did to you. But if you agree to be mine, I promise you heaven and earth, I will do anything, in fact, everything in this world to make you happy.
If I agree to be yours?
Exactly.
Please, you will agree. Explain to me, because I don't understand. What do you mean by if I agree to be yours? What's that?
Ejoma, you're a pregnant woman. And you need to be serviced at all times. My brother is dead and gone. So, let me service you so that you enjoy it and your baby will come out smoothly. And then your baby can have Uncle Jagaban.
Wait. If I get you correct, you're asking me to come and sleep with you.
If that is the only way you can say it, but I know it's not romantic, then yes.
Are you mad? Or is there something wrong with you? Have you gone nuts? How dare you ask your late brother's wife to come and sleep with you? Are you crazy or something? Are you alright?
That is exactly what I'm saying. It's the same thing. Your husband, my late brother, is dead and gone. He's at the mortuary, lying down there. Let's leave the dead for the dead and let the living enjoy themselves. My brother is no more. He is dead. So I am the only one here. Let me service you. Let me grease that place. You see, for the records, you need something to be entering there.
So you're the one that will grease it now? Exactly. You're the one.
Listen, I am Jagaban. Anything I do remains final. If I grease this place for you, I promise you your baby will come out smoothly. Very smooth. See, I'm sorry, okay? I promise you I will make you happy.
Just get out of my sight.
Huh?
You disgust me. Get the hell out of my sight.
Get
out of my sight.
Listen, come.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Jagaban. It's me, Jagaban. If I ain't Jagaban. Well, no problem. You know me, anything I want, I must get it. I'm going out now, just go into my room. Lie down and spread your legs. Let me do the needful. You must enjoy it. Your husband is dead and gone. Let the living enjoy themselves. I'm coming back, okay? If I enter you, self, you enjoy it. Your husband, a late idiot, he doesn't have strength. He's Ajebo, 5 seconds man. In fact, 3 seconds. I will knock you for 1 hour and you're rejecting me. I will come back for you, man.
Stupid fools. Umumogo. I send you both on an errand. Ziono, Zionagade, Gabamugo. Simple instruction. Huh? Simple instruction, I no go fit carry. Ntike. Ebomogo. How come I no get one single person with common sense around me? Huh? Why you no come execute the main person who I send you now?
My supreme, I reach you there believe how, but we no say no be how.
You are a fool. You be bonyala. Ntiki bonyala Ebomogo. I don't want you to smoke all this thing where you smoke. But you not good for your head. If you are not smoking, you are drinking. You don't make cause up here. Lichawo. Onye lileli. Simple instruction, you know if you carry. Mamugo. Tell you what you go do, you know if you do am. You hear the tell me say no, say that the person. How will you know?
Papa, you know say that
if you talk now, one name chat on the other bar. Shut up, boys. God will give you inspiration. Odubo.
Senior man. You know, as we read there, we'll not see the person. Say we'll say more drop message.
Go senior man. No, you don't know him. I don't know what you do. Huh? No, you better don't know what you commit now, Abi.
Senior man. Senior man.
somewhere. And lad will make I tell you my side. That will be that one.
My bingo.
I am sorry for the death of your mother.
You're not sorry. You're not sorry. You let her kill my mother. This is not fair. You told me you see things before they happen. Why didn't you warn me about them? Okay, fine. You pushed me away so they can kill my mother for your own interest.
Ebube, let me just...
Now I understand. You pushed me away so they can kill my mother instead of me. For your own interest. I have never gone out at midnight to ease myself. Why that night?
Look, Ebube, I could just explain this to you.
Is it true or not? Is it true?
Ebube, let me explain to you, okay?
So it's true. You let her kill my mother. I hate you for this betrayal. I hate you. Please, don't come to me. Don't even tell me to calm down. Don't even tell me to calm down. Don't even come to me again, please.
Please, what of my wife, my unborn child?
Your wife and your unborn child, they can join you in here. I don't care.